32 gang, what's good, man? It's your boy CJ on 32s, and I'm back with another video. All you gotta do is go on Corleone Instagram, and they got my Schreiber truck and another truck with the name of the wheels on there. But yeah, I'm back with another video. What's up, my boy? What you doing? Yeah, you heard it. You want to race? You want to race? You think you faster? You not faster?
No.
You don't want to race? Nah. Let me get a lemon lime. Lemon. How much?
Is that?
Yep. $3?
Yeah.
Boy, these motherfuckers used to be 50 cent.
Ooh,
They used to be 50 cent. Now he seen my car and he told me, he seen my jewelry and he told me $3.
$3 por what? No, 50 cent estaba cuando era aquí en el 2005, ¿no?
Yeah, remember? You gotta get your gas money now, huh?
$3 for what?
$3 now, boy. These used to be.
No.
These used to be.
Hey, mira. The what? 3. The milk.
The milk now even higher. Damn, see, the milk used to be 75 and the ice used to be.
Yeah. You get one? No. Come on.
Yeah. All right, man. All right, my boy.
Thank you, man.
Take care, bro.
Right.
Yep. All right. Anyway, damn. Boy, the cost of living is crazy right now. Imagine if penny candy was still hype. That shit used to be 1 cent, then it went to a nickel, then it went to a quarter, $3 now. This shit used to be 50 cent. Damn, they used to take food stamps for these too. That's crazy. Damn. Gotta get it how you live though. Okay. That's crazy. $3 for some frozen ice. Flavor ice. Y'all ever had these? I don't know if everybody see. Damn. He hit me with the 2005. They used to be 50 cent. How many years ago was 2005? Like 11, 14? Wait, what is it? 2026? Shit, oh, I don't even know. It's longer than that. All right, anyway. We getting that young GT63. Mounted up, you dig? We got that man Jerry working today. Jerry working for that check, huh?
You got that right.
Yeah, that's how it's gonna be, my boy. So now you working.
Otherwise, I would have went to the drag race. I went over there yesterday.
Man, they don't want to see that drag race content. Man. You was outside the gate, not showing nothing.
That's why they was getting ready to close.
Jerry was walking through the grass talking about the drag race.
Yeah, they was getting ready to close, so I didn't want no need for me to got there late. So NASCAR's coming up next.
They don't want to see that.
I got them tickets. I want to be there.
Time to open up. Time to open up the car wash, bro. You like them? Something different, luxury look.
Yeah, here's some nice ones out there, don't they?
Yeah, they do got a lot of wheels. Oh, them look good on there.
So, girl said next time you want some delivery, she'll deliver it.
Oh.
The black lady work up there.
Who?
Some black lady, she work up there.
That's the owner, boy.
The black lady?
Yeah.
I thought it was a Mexican dude.
What Mexican dude? At Extreme?
Yeah.
No, it's the black dude, Steve, and his wife, Jeanette.
Oh, I didn't know.
Man, cut it out, man.
I didn't know. I thought it was all Spanish, man. Learning something. Yeah, see, you right.
They the owners. You hear him?
Huh?
He called Jeanette and Steve workers. Did you see BJ?
Yeah.
Fired. That's what you should have been recording.
He was
You
there
tripping.
Little brother was there.
You had a van. You supposed to have been working.
I did do a little video on the van. Sure I did.
Hey, Jerry said don't play with him, guys.
But I just don't do your video.
He drove all the way to California in the MKZ. Tell him stop playing with you, Jerry.
Stop playing with me.
Huh.
Shoot.
What are you doing wrong, Jerry? I need you on his ass, bro.
Who's that?
You in charge. You
Hey,
top
yeah,
flight security of the 32
look,
game.
You gotta watch how
Hold
to
up.
spray that stuff.
All right, that's what I'm talking about.
Because you're getting that tire shine stuff on the rim. What's gonna do? What's gonna do is gonna mess up that chrome. You don't want that. I like towel, white. That's all. Towel and white.
Let him know how to do his
I
job.
got you. All right. Do it right.
Yes, sir. That's right, Jerry. Hey, I ain't gotta say nothing else to nobody, man. Jerry gonna handle everybody for me. He gonna handle y'all, and he gonna handle everybody else around, bro. I ain't got nothing to say. Jerry funny as hell. Taking a day off, guys. Going to the lake. Gonna meet the boys there. Yep.
What's the rain though?
I don't care. It's gonna be 80. Scatter some rain. I gotta see you with your top down. I thought you was finna do a car wash. What's up? Do I need to call Mr. Goddammit?
I'm going down.
Where you going?
I'm going to Wingstop.
You ready? You ready to race? I knew you had this out because I heard the lawnmower start up. Let me hear it. Oh! Yes, sir.
No lawnmower here.
Drop the top. Okay, Al. Man, he just hit me with 15 rocks in my legs. My bad, guys. Y'all know I'm chewing this ice down. I was thirsty. What happened? Apology. Jerry, come inspect the track hawk, man. The 32 gang need to know what he messed up on the track hawk.
He messed up something on the track also?
Yeah, he just cleaned it. I need you to point out what he did wrong. You the professional detailing, right?
Yeah.
Exactly. What you see?
Too much tire shine.
Too much tire shine?
Yep.
Why it's too much?
He's spraying it on there and pre-wiping. I'm pre-wiping as he go on that Mercedes.
You're really
not cleaning right. But they okay over here. Yeah, too much tire shine. That's all that is, right?
Too much tire shine?
Man,
See, that's why I need you around to handle things, man. Get things done.
that's why I'm pre-wiping.
You
man.
got your superpowers back. You got your chain and your shirt on.
That's what I'm saying. I feel super powerful. Hurry up, man. That video, bring that 60 with you.
Yeah, what?
That 60-90 camera.
What's my 350?
Yeah, that's 350 or 360.
360. The 360 camera, my boy.
Well, 360. Did you bring it?
I ain't got it.
That's stupid.
I ain't got it, Captain.
You're supposed to have that camera with you.
Why I need it? I ain't know you want to work today. Jerry's still over here telling them stuff. Listen. Jerry, what are you doing now?
He's down in the screw, man. He don't even get the ground.
What happened? Jerry, leave my boy alone, man. Calm down. Now you're a bully. Take a breather, Jerry. Take a breather.
You know what? You seen the date, right?
Huh?
You saw the date?
Today? What's the
date?
What's the date?
This one is time of the
Oh, it's that time of the month. That's why he got on red, so
That's the car show tomorrow.
it matched.
No, it's next week.
When do you mean next week?
The one in Chicago?
Yeah, but it says 17 today.
I saw one for the 23.
All right, anyway, guys, we're gonna get this Benz mounted up. I gotta take these wheels over there to the clubhouse because y'all already know Hal gonna have a fit. But it's his shop. I respect. He do got a lot of stuff laying around, but yeah, I'm gonna get everything out of here, so he ain't even gotta tell me. Go back in here and check on this car. Trying to get in the barber shop right now. See what my guy talking about. Let me go and shut this door to this bad mother right here. This car, this truck, fun to drive too. Let's see what we got going on, man. Off-roadster. Oh, we don't got lugs. Lug nuts. It was a long one on the front.
Huh?
It was a long one on the front. The originals wouldn't fit, right?
No.
Which ones was it?
Well, this is the one they sent us. Wait, you see the front picture? See the front?
What you mean the pitch different? It won't go
That,
in?
that one's fine thread and it's smaller. This one's coarse. And that different thread. Oh, we're good.
We good?
Yeah,
I
I
seen
got
like
five turns.
I counted it. It was 6, but yeah. That boy look good too.
Yeah.
See, Al, look what happened, and you ain't even have to tell us. We got all the wheels out of here. He too focused. He trying to post something with this Cybertruck. You fired. Oh, Al, watching Pornhub. Yeah. Book it. Jerry, how you coming to Texas? You driving?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you
So
about,
Jessica might want to
you gonna take Jessica with you?
Yeah, she said something about flying. She can't do whatever. But she gonna ride with me.
Oh, okay. You trying to take all the women with you, boy. Watch out now.
I'm trying to make some of them people drive.
Jerry trip gonna turn
Yeah,
into
right? You can drive.
a menage a trois, huh? Yeah, look, he say no, he laughed. He laughed, man. Huh? He taking too long, ain't he?
Hey, what's
Listen, hey, tell him what's the problem, Jerry? Huh?
What's going on?
I'm telling you, it's your ass pulling the wrong nugget. Here, go get the right one.
Well, you ought to tell them that.
No, it's Joe fault, Jerry. You supposed to be on the lookout.
They
You gotta go check.
No, you supposed to know. So what's up with you? We gonna bully the bully. What's up,
Well,
old man?
Next time I ask them.
No, you brought the wrong lug nuts. See?
What, you did you some drill?
You wasn't on your job.
Y'all gonna keep these or what? Or distribute them?
No, we gonna keep them because we ain't got a choice. We got some here.
Your ass got the wrong one.
Jerry fired, guys. He brought the wrong lug nuts.
If I had a key, I'd get the right one out the drawer.
What's up with you, Jerry?
1 pound, man. I need to use at least 5 more.
You lost some pounds?
I lost one.
Where you lose it at?
In the stomach.
Out your gums. Jerry lost one more tooth, so he lost a pound out his gum.
Just lose 1 pound. That's jacked up.
That's crazy.
Hey, here's the rest of them.
What?
Whatever the Mercedes was.
Oh, the Mercedes we got to make. Okay.
Yeah, the one.
Oh, these the locked. Okay.
Miguel over there? Jessica ain't over there, is she?
No, just came home.
Jessica, your ass fired.
I got these, put them with the Mercedes wheels.
These gone. Chop 2. I'm driving this today.
Oh, Jerry, you still got one wheel left.
Jerry! You got a wheel left.
Yeah, I know.
This is under the PPF. It's dirty. It's PPF still, though. It's protected. Got a winner chicken dinner. It's getting there, guys. We got that Benz down on the ground. Boots on the ground. Boots on the ground. Clean and classy. Yes, sir. That boy is definitely clean too. Damn. Broke the cap. Broke the cap. Jerry on your ass, man. Jerry not playing. Jerry is not to be played with. 32 gang security. Pawn shop Jerry is not to be played with. He ain't taking from nobody. This shit easy. It's easy. It's too easy, guys. It's too easy, man. See this boy in motion. Oh, somebody spraying. A Mustang. Go catch his ass and get on that with him. I should go catch him right now.
You should.
And put the belt to his ass, huh? Cause he down there clowning like he on something. And his the same color. I should go catch him, but he probably too far up the street now. Go put the belt on his ass. Y'all think we can catch him? Let me see if my key in here. Since he think he on something, gonna try to catch this Mustang real quick. I'm gonna let y'all know. Go right up on him. Right now. If I can get out. Still in traffic. Probably won't catch him. What's up, bro? Y'all going around the bus. Let me out, fool. Let's see if we can get on his ass, guys. Cause he came through here clowning. See what he really talking about. I can get him probably if I don't hit this light. Is that him turning? No, that's a Camaro. He's still up here. Damn, I got caught at the light. Damn it. Saved by the light. Shit. It's finna get busy on him too. Boy, got that top down. Y'all know it's nice in the Midwest when they got them top down. Hey. I wanna get on this Mustang so bad, bro. Gotta show him a thing or two. Coming down making all that noise ain't going nowhere. We gonna try to catch him though real quick. Then we gotta get back to the business over there. See? And I'm trying to pull up slow too. I don't even want him to hear the car. I just want to get on his ass. You see? Only way I ain't gonna catch him right now, guys, if he turned off. Follow his ass. Damn. He probably was up there too. Through this light. I don't hear him no more. Damn. It's over with, gang. Over with. I tried to give y'all one. Cause it was gonna be too funny. No, I don't see him over there either. I'm gonna see if I can catch him though, gang. What you got going on, Jerry? You over there eating that pizza? Well, you tearing that pizza up. Finger licking good. My boy Jerry ain't playing. I gotta pay him good today because he took 2 trips from me. He did a lot, so I got him. Then I gotta pay my boy right here, putting in that overtime. You feel me? Gotta make sure my boy right. We ready?
Yes,
You ready to roll it out? See, it was better getting these guys where the wheels and everything was already put together. I paid for them the night before because if Al had to do it, would not have got done. I don't know what I want to take home. Do I want to take this home or the Track Hawk home? That Track Hawk, too tough. Who off-road?
Yeah.
And another one. Huh? No, I couldn't catch him. I tried. I didn't know where he went. I kept getting caught at the light.
He smoked.
Anybody smoking
This
you.
is who I talked to today.
You don't got nothing fast.
Felipe.
Yeah.
Remember Felipe?
We don't care. I'm trying to turn Al into a pack, a Viper pack.
You see my burnout?
That what? What happened?
Took out half the yellow off me.
I ain't see nothing. I ain't see nothing. Hey man, stop asking about the stickers. We gotta leave the stickers on so you know they brand new. Fresh off the showroom floor.
They make noises. You're gonna know if it's a flat tire or a regular tire.
That's why I got tire pressure sensors. Probably gonna have to reprogram them through the car. Oh, them big caps rocking. Nice. Nice luxury look. Not really. Oh, motorized, same shit. Yeah, yep. You jumping from bugs? Yeah, Jerry eating pizza. And he using the rag to wipe his mouth that he washed his car with. You see him?
Fire!
Told you. That thing nasty too. Still probably switch them up mid giveaway though. Color match.
Oh, they got a car show over there by you. That Midwest.
What you mean by me? They got a car show by you. There you go, Jerky. Yes, sir. Benz is done. Trackhawk is done.
The last one was white too, wasn't it?
White with the red interior.
Yeah, something, right?
Yep. GT53. Clean. Ready. It's ready. Huh?
There you go, Jerky.
There you go, Jerky. You know I want to just dry this though. I want to dry this today because that boy is nasty. That thing is tough, bro. It looks so good. Shit. I got space in my garage too. All right, guys, I'm gonna get this video, get a little early promotion in. Let me know what y'all think about the GT. I might take it home. I don't know yet. Didn't want to come here today, but I gotta move some cars. But I'm actually gonna eventually take that Trackhawk once the giveaway start and put it up at the house. Hey, y'all got some company coming, guys. Y'all got some company coming. They got some company coming. What'd you say, Jerry? Box Chevy. Pull it out, boy, it be hard too. Put around it. Knocked the whole bumper off the Cutlass. The hell you slamming on, Jerry? What's wrong with you, old man? Ooh, look at that sight. Oh, hold on. We got them giveaway licks lined up. Look, 1, 2, 3. I'm loaded with cars, guys. I'm ready too. I'm ready. Unleash my new shit. Probably ain't doing Escalades no more. If I do, it's gotta be the what you call it, the IQ. Huh? I'm gonna go talk to him and let him know. You just gotta stay in. What you was slamming on? What'd you say? You said a light wasn't working in the back? The bugs? Yeah, they was telling me in the comments some out in that other one too. Which one y'all taking, gang? 1, 2, 3. What's y'all first pick? Cyber, Track, Benz, and then car number 4 gonna be one of the old schools. I can't tell you yet. Just gotta log in. Log into your apps and see what I post. Jerry! Fired. Oh man. Actually, they going to a car show. I don't think I'm gonna go to the car show. I'm just really killing time to the barber. Marty want me to stop by his brother's stuff. I might do that too. Matter of fact, hey Jerry! Yo. Come here, gang. Shit. Have Jerry pull this in so we can see it chopping. Get my money worth out his ass today. This the hardest labor he did today. You wanna pull it in?
Stuck up in there?
I just wanna record it. Calm down, bro. Before I put the belt to your ass. Get to meet his brothers. Motherfucker just as loud as that blue one, or if not louder. over some more. Yeah. Come on, man. All right. Meet y'all brother. Meet y'all brother, gang. Say what's up, y'all. Laughing at him. He fast. He might be faster than y'all too. Yeah. Talk that shit then. What'd you say to him? You ain't got them hips, huh? But you got that speed, huh? Yeah. Okay. Talk to him then. I don't know, man. They don't seem too friendly. Like, you know what I'm saying? I don't know, guys. They don't want him in the clubhouse, so I guess one of y'all gotta have a chance to come with them, because they talking crazy and I ain't got time to be breaking up car fights around here. So just calm down, man. It's temporary. Temporary, guys. Calm down. Take it easy. You took the key out of there or no?
No, there wasn't no key in there. It was just that there.
All right, I got that key. I really got to keep track of keys now. Way too many keys. Always had too many keys. I'm taking the Benz home today, guys. Gonna drive the Benz. Stop by the old house, put my bike on the charger. Put the Shiby truck up. That car stink. It smell like the paint shop, like that burnt, you know, when stuff come out the paint shop, how it got that burnt smell. Shit stink. Like that bake smell. Shit just done got baked. Taking me a break tomorrow, guys, so you know what I'm saying? I might record the journey, but I'm gonna spend some time with the boys tomorrow. Even if it rain, we still gonna go. So it's probably like the only day I'm gonna be able to go, because I'm just so busy right now with shit. So pretty much I just been taking y'all on my day of running around. We gotta make a stop by Sammy's too next week, give y'all an update on my hearse. It got the LT motor in it already. I ain't gonna lie, gang. I done bought so many parts for that car already. Oh, snap. Boy. Sheesh. What? Let me get up out of that jam. Boy, super close. That's the way Jerry parked. Head ass. Yeah. Straight your ass. You fired. Old man. Trying to take me out. Everybody trying to take me out. Damn. Trying to take me out, huh? Probably put this on the charger, 56%.
Go back a little bit more.
Go back.
A little bit more.
I'll probably put this on the charger.
You good?
Right there. All right.
Wait, down low.
No, it's on 50, but it drains. So I'm gonna just plug it up. Yep. Yeah, I got the charger in the back. Jerry trying to get out of here and head to that car show, gang. We gotta let old man Jerry get the going over there with Al now. Probably gonna have to.
It's on the cord?
Yeah. We might can run it straight across over there to that one of them cords, because it ain't plugged in. Let me see.
Okay. That's how it is, huh? It's a
Y'all see that? Just gonna leave it in while I ain't driving it. What's that one going to? That orange one? All right, yeah. Let's just plug it into that. See, simple as 1, 2, 3. Yeah, alright, don't say that. Miguel gonna be.
Big old charger.
Let me see. Miguel gonna be talking about some. You got my girls built up. Yeah. That. Alright, that's it, right?
Yep.
I just gotta holler at Miguel guy. Ah, shit. Dude, that Cybertruck sharp as. Man, that boy smoking. Ain't it?
Yeah.
Damn.
Well, plastic, so.
Man, bro, I ain't gonna lie, guys. That box Chevy out there smoking white smoke. It's another headache. Probably. Hopefully not, but shit, y'all know we raw and uncut. I'm getting out of here. I'm tired of the clubhouse. I ain't even want to come here today. I had to. Now. Let's see what he's talking about. What'd you say? What? Yeah. This smoky motherfucker going over there. Damn. That boy stink. What it smell like? Oil? Smell like it's burning oil, ain't it? Yep. That motherfucker burning oil bad. Dang. We'll have to get that looked at too next. God, it's always something. That car had a Ragley motor in it from the get-go. I'm probably gonna put an LS in there or LT. Miguel, that one just gonna be probably for a couple days when Escalades leave. No, that one, but for a couple days. Till the Escalades winters come.
One is mine.
Yeah, for sure. I got you. We're gonna cheat. What up? The key's in there. I'm about to get out of here. I'm tired. All right, thanks. All right, guys. It kind of seemed like it's burning off, but I don't know, right? That motherfucker.
One long camera, what?
I don't know. He just finished it. Pop the hood. Yeah, idle it down. There you go. It just smells like oil from the exhaust. I don't even smell it under the hood. Nope.
It's all empty. Don't hear nothing knocking.
Nope. Whatever. It ain't going nowhere right now. Anyway, so
Yeah, the Mercedes keys on it.
probably need to just run a little bit of something. Shit, I don't know. But no, it's whatever it is burning off. It calm down some, but it still smell like oil. You dry this motherfucker, you definitely getting a headache. It calmed down a lot though from running. Look,
Yeah.
Still coming out.
It could be lower or we don't know, but
I don't know. Gonna have to get it checked
that
out.
one needs changed out.
Yeah. I'm gonna ask Junior. Let's see. It smell like oil. So why it's burning like that? Ain't nothing coming out the hood. It's all coming out the exhaust though. Strong oil burning smell. Got me. All right, I'm out of here. Time to go, my boy. All right. Lawsuit. Appreciate you today. Lifesaver. Save me some time with the help.
Yep, and the 2 Mercedes keys in the seat on the
All
back.
right. Thank you. Appreciate you. Go enjoy the car show. You looking clean? Yeah, you looking clean. All right, guys. Hop in the Benz. Go put my bike on the charger. This one got 2 keys. The Trackhawk, of course, got 1 set, but we got 2 set of keys here. Just like that, we out of here. Drive this motherfucker. Enjoy the day. I might pull up on Marty Mart. I'm trying to kill time so I can go to the barbershop, but it's almost time to start getting ready for that birthday weekend. Feel me? Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Let me know what y'all think about the cars, how they turned out with the wheels. Just get in the comment section, state your opinion. I don't know how long this video is, but I'm gonna go ahead and end this video, guys, because I'm kind of hot and I'm tired and I need a chill day, so that's what I'm gonna do tomorrow. Appreciate y'all, gang. Giveaway 41 uploaded, more custom cars to add to the fleet uploaded, and yeah, if you want to join my other giveaway, it's live. Yeah, so with that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, guys. This your boy CJ on 32s checking out with another video. I'm out, man. Gang.